Today, we're going to learn colors with magic balloons. Wow, a red balloon. Let's pop it together. Amazing. It's a R-E-D apple.
Here comes a B-L-U-U balloon.
Wow! Wow! A blue car! A yellow balloon! Ready to pop! A yellow banana! It's a green balloon! A green dinosaur! Roar! A pink balloon! A cute pink teddy! A purple balloon! Purple grapes! Wow! A magic rainbow balloon! All the colors together! Amazing! Thanks for learning colors with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe for more content.